You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, and we'll be looking at how to say more English vocabulary. Many people get confused by, so stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So we're looking at the verb meet, to meet somebody. So that's your top word here, and that's how you pronounce it, with a long E word. E sound, that's where you have double E. That's when you encounter somebody, you come across somebody, you meet. Now, the past tense of this word, if you meet somebody in the past, it's said as met, met. To meet, met as in I met Jordan the other day, yesterday I met Jordan in the street. Met versus meet. And now you know, did you get this? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thanks very much. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.